Let's talk about how to get ideas while you are designing. Feeling uninspired can hit all of us, and when that happens, it's super helpful to have some resources that can lend you a hand. Generally, this has happened to me in two ways. Either I know that I'm designing and I just have creative block and I don't know what the next play is, or I don't know what to start designing at all. Number one is Behance. Behance is an awesome platform for showcasing and discovering creative work. It's home to millions of portfolios across graphic design, illustration, photography, etc. Scrolling around on Behance, you can gain insights into design trends, new techniques, new layouts and styles, and draw inspiration from some really awesome creatives. Behance provides a curated space that hosts plenty of great work to give you some ideas. Number two is Dribbble. Similar to Behance, Dribbble is a community of designers, illustrators, and creatives sharing their work, but in this case, it's less large project focus and more on individual concepts. It's a fantastic resource for discovering little ideas, elements, fonts, tricks, and illustrations. Dribbble is like Behance's little brother and can sometimes make ideas more focused or digestible. Number three, and my personal favorite, Pinterest. Pinterest isn't just for recipes and interior design, though I do use it for both of those things. It also hosts a ton of great design and inspiration. With millions of pins covering pretty much any design style you can think of, Pinterest is a great way to expose yourself to multiple styles at once. You can create your own board like I do and pin all the designs you like, essentially creating your own inspiration gallery that you can pull from whenever you need. Another great way to get ideas if you're just looking to practice is asking ChatGPT for a prompt. For example, I asked ChatGPT to give me a trendy graphic design project, and it asked me to create an AI-generated city scene, adding collage elements and cutouts to mix real and generated together. Keep in mind that joining online design communities can be way more than just consuming others' ideas. It's about active participation and engagement. I would encourage you to interact with fellow designers, appreciate their work, and don't hesitate to seek feedback on your own projects or share your design process with others, because that's how we grow. If you are new to design or a seasoned designer looking to improve their workflow, try out Kittl for free today. We have a promo code in the description for you to get a deal on a pro plan. I personally believe that Kittl is worth its weight just in the assets and the AI capabilities alone. That's not even mentioning its fluid design capabilities, vector elements, background remover, unsplash integration, amazing fonts, and probably even some more stuff that I don't even know about. Well, that's all for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.